we are going to begin a new chapter, chapter 12, exponents and powers. That is our new chapter, very simple chapter and very small chapter. Only two exercises are there. Very simple chapter. I think last year you just studied a little on exponents and powers, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So we will study some more operations on exponents and powers in this chapter. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the chapter name is exponents and powers. Chapter name is exponents and powers. Chapter 12, exponents and
Nothing,
yes.
nothing.
Can you see
Nothing,
the
ma'am.
board? Can you
Yes,
see?
yes.
Okay, yes. Chapter 12, exponents and powers. Chapter 12, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Okay. Okay. So, Jeevan Joshi, last year you studied about exponents. What is an exponent, Jeevan?
I forgot.
Forgot. Okay, you just try to think, remember. Given any example, don't say just forgot. Try to remember. Yes.
3p,
Uh,
3p plus 3q.
3p plus 3p. Not that. And Leah. Okay, no problem. Jeevan, we will study. Don't worry.
3, then power minus 4 something.
Yes, 3 to the any number raised to the power. Any number raised to the power is exponent, like 2 square. 2 square is equal to what? What's the answer for 2 square? Anybody?
4.
Yes, 2 square is 4. That is 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2, not 2, 2, it is 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. So it is 4. Okay, so Shivanand, what is 5 square? 5 square means what? Shivanand, 5 square is equal to 2 square. How we will find 2 square? It is 2 into 2.
10.
No, Abhinav.
25. 25.
25, correct. Because 2 square is 2 into 2. So 5 square is what?
5 into
5
5.
into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. Okay. So chapter 12, exponents and powers. Okay. An exponent is an equation which has two components. Two components. They are exponent and power. They are exponent and one second, exponent and base. I will show you. Okay, see this. An exponent equation has two components. An exponent equation has how many components? Two components. One is exponent. The other one is base. Okay, this we will read it as b raised to the power
X.
power x. We can write it b raised to x. We will read it as b raised to x. Raised to the power x. Actually, it is in that way. b raised to the power x. b raised to the power
X.
x. Okay. So, yes.
This definition of exponent.
And what is raised to the power is known as exponent. Understood? What is raised to the power? It is the exponent, and which number is repeatedly multiplying is known as base, like 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. Here, which is exponent?
2.
4.
No, 4, 4.
4 is the exponent.
Base 2.
Exponent, and 2 is base.
Base.
2 is base. Okay. Here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 4 times.
16. 16.
2, wait, okay, 16. 2 is multiplied 4 times. So exponent shows that how many times a number is multiplied repeatedly. Okay, exponent shows and how many times a number is multiplied repeatedly. See here, in 2 raised to 4, 4 shows what? 4 shows that 2 is multiplied 4 times, and base is the number which is multiplied in some number of times. Base is the number which is multiplied sometimes. Exponent is the number which shows how many times the base is multiplied. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. I will ask some questions based on this. Okay. Now 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 is what? 3 raised to 5 is, no need to multiply, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3
27.
into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So, Gopi Krishna, here, what is 5? 5 is known as? 5 is known as?
Exponent.
Exponent. Very good. Exponent. And 3 is the?
Base.
3 is the base.
Base.
3 is the base. Okay. All of you write this one. Write definition as an exponent. Okay, all of you. If anybody didn't write, write. An exponent equation has 2 components, b raised to x. Then put an arrow for x, write exponent. X is exponent, b is base. Varada, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
X is exponent and b is base. X is exponent and b is base. Abhinav, over. Shankari, Anu, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now you write this one. 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to 5 is 3 into 3. This is equal to, we can write. 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, here 5 is the exponent, 3 is the base. 5 is the exponent. One more example. 6 raised.
Ma'am, we will not find the answer then.
No need to find. That we will do while doing your problems.
Okay,
This thing, just to understand what is exponent and base, only for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Answer we will do later. Okay. Now 6 raised to 7. Right, which is exponent, which is base.
Yes.
Right, which is exponent, which is base. Allah, second answer, exponent is
Ma'am, 7 is exponent.
Yes.
6 is base.
Okay, good. Krishnaveni.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Third one.
3 is the exponent,
Mm.
7 is the base.
Okay, Prarthana. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, 32 is the exponent and 100 is the base.
100 is the base. Okay. So I think all of you understood what is exponent and what is base. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So here also you can see exponent b raised to n. Hmm? B raised to n. N and b are variables. We can give any values, or a raised to x, b raised to y, or b raised to n. And here are the definitions for exponent. Exponent is what? The value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself. Okay. I explained it. Exponent is the number which specify or which shows that how many times the base has been multiplied repeatedly. Okay. So write all of you, exponent is the value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself. How many times the base will be multiplied by itself. Exponent is the value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself. Okay. Now base. Base, the number or variable. It can be 2 raised to 5 or x raised to 7. Then base is x. It can be a number or a variable. Any letters. A variable that is being multiplied, repeatedly in the expanded form, being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form. Number or variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form. Base is the number or variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So in this, write an example, x raised to 7 also you can write. Base is
Basis
Base is
2.
X.
X.
x and exponent
7.
7.
7. Okay, correct. Base is x. Okay, Anlia, read what is an exponent. Anlia,
Yes, ma'am.
read it.
The value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself.
Okay, and base.
The number of variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form.
Okay, Tia, read.
Exponent, the value that specify how many times the base will be multiplied by itself.
Okay,
Base,
base.
the number or variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form.
Okay, Shivanya,
Ma'am,
read.
exponents, the value that specifies how many times the base will be multiplied by itself. Base, the number or variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form.
Okay, all of you clear it? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see some examples.
Yes.
3. Yes? Did you ask anything? Anybody?
No.
Okay, good. So here you can see some of the examples. 3 square. This 2 is, or 3 raised to the power 2. So 2 is the exponent, 3 is the base. 3, Yes. 3 square means what,
Base.
Abhinav? Abhinav, I can't hear. What did you say?
Base like definition.
You want to write it? Huh?
Definition of base.
Okay. This one, isn't it?
This one.
Okay, right? The number or variable that is being multiplied repeatedly in the expanded form.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
3
Now,
scores the example, right?
I will show you. Okay. All these are examples. Okay. 3 square means it is 3 into 3. We know that 9. So this 2 represent what? 3 is multiplied
2 times.
2 times. 2 3s are there. 3 square means there are 2 3s and they are multiplying. Here you can see 4 raised to 3, which means 4 is multiplying 3 times. 3 times 4 is multiplying 3 times. And here 3 is the exponent and 4 is the base. Is this idea clear? Base and exponent, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. 3 is the exponent, 4 is the base. 4 is multiplying 3 times. Okay, all these are examples. 3 raised to 4, 3 into 3. This dot represent into. This is means into. This dot represents into. Okay. Not point, it is. It represents into. Okay. 3, the power means it is raised to a number. That number is exponent. Okay. Two raised to. I think we have written all these examples. It's enough. Some examples. This is enough. 2 is base, 5 exponent, 2 multiplied in 5 times. It is enough. Okay. Now, next heading is powers with negative exponent. Powers with negative exponent. Write the heading. Powers with a negative exponent. Powers with negative exponent. Write the heading. Powers with a negative exponent. Powers with negative. So you studied about x raised to 3, 4 raised to 5,
Yes, ma'am.
2 raised to 5. All these you studied. Here 3 is the exponent, 5 is the base. Here 5 is the exponent, 4 is the base. Here also 5 is the exponent, 2 is the base. All this you have studied. Okay. Now we are going to study what about x raised to minus 5. Here what is exponent? Exponent is? Exponent is minus 5. Exponent is minus 5 and base is?
X.
Base is x. Okay. Then y raised to negative 1. Y raised to
Negative 1
negative
is
1. X,
negative 1
yes,
exponent.
negative 1 is the exponent.
Exponent.
Exponent
Base is
is
y.
negative 1 and base is
Y.
y. And so in the case of 2 raised to negative 3. 2 raised to negative 3?
Negative 3 is exponent.
Yes, exponent is?
Negative 3 and base is 2.
Yes, base is 2. In these cases, the exponents are negative. Okay, exponents are negative. So we are going to study what we can do when the exponents are negative. I will show you what can we do when we are getting a negative exponent. See this, x raised to minus b. X raised to minus b is equal to 1 by x raised to b.
Ma'am,
When
should
we,
write it?
right. Heading, did you give negative exponent?
Yes, ma'am.
X raised to minus b equal to 1 by x raised to b. When we take reciprocal, the sign of the exponent changes. When we take the reciprocal, the sign of the exponent changes.
And the negative will go to positive.
Yes, see this, x raised to minus b equal to what? 1 divided by x raised to b. The negative sign changes to positive. When we take reciprocal of a negative exponent, the sign of the exponent changes. Okay, so you can write when we take reciprocal, what was the change happens? The sign of the exponent changes. Sign of the exponent changes. X raised to minus b
Ma'am,
is,
should we write this?
write it. When we take reciprocal, the sign of the exponent changes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so whenever negative exponent comes, we have to find the reciprocal.
Wherever you can see the negative exponent, write the reciprocal and change the sign of the exponent. We will do many problems. Okay, don't worry. I will explain. Did you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move it?
Yes, ma'am.
We will write. So here we can write some examples. 3 raised to negative 2. Can we write? How can we write this? 3 raised to negative 2. 3 raised to negative 2. We can write how?
Ma'am, 1 by 3 raised to
Yes,
2.
1 by 3 raised to 2. Change the sign by taking reciprocal. Change the sign by take sign of the exponent by taking the reciprocal. Okay, so write all these answers. 5 raised to negative 4, 6 raised to negative 3, 100 raised to negative 31, x raised to negative 41. Write all these answers.
Ma'am, over.
Over.
Last one, which number it is?
X raised to negative 41. Thomas Chaco, what is the answer of the second question? Second question. Thomas Chaco.
I am doing.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can I say?
Who's that?
Midun.
Okay, Midun. Second one.
1 by 5 raised to 4.
Thomas Chaco, are you ready? Ashmit.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one.
1 by 6 raised to 3.
1 by 6 raised to 3. Next, Marada.
1 by 100 raised to 31.
1 by 100 raised to
31.
Rolgar, Alna Joy Devika, switch on your video. Alna John, all of you switch on your video. Rolgar, what is the last answer? X raised to negative 41. Rolgar, what was the last answer? Alna John. Last answer is Alna John.
Ma'am,
Ah.
1 by x raised to 41.
Yes, 1 by x raised to 41.
40.
1 by x raised to 41. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, this are the examples. Here are some examples. X raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by x raised to 3. 1 by x raised to 3. X raised to power is a rational number. So the same thing happens. X raised to negative 3 by 2 equal to 1 by x raised to negative 3 by 2. We can write some examples on that. X raised to minus 1 by 2. Right?
The power is 3 by 2.
1 by x raised to 3 by 2. Power become positive. And 5 raised to negative 1. 6 raised to negative 1 by 3. 7 raised to negative 2 by 4. Write all these answers.
I didn't understand.
Okay, which one? This one or the previous?
No, ma'am, this one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. See, the previous slide shows what? X raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by x raised to 3. When we write the reciprocal, sign of the exponent changes. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's this? Who's asking this?
Ma'am, Varada.
Okay, Varada. This one, did you understood? X raised to
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
3 equal to. So we can write x raised to, not x raised to, 5 raised to negative 3 equal to how?
Ma'am, 1 by 5 raised to 3.
Okay, this is okay for you. Now, the power is a rational number. It's a fraction. In that case also, sign of the fraction changes. X raised to minus 3 by 2. Negative 3 by 2. Fraction. 3 by 2 is a fraction and sign is negative. In that case also, reciprocal. Okay. X raised to negative 3 by 2 become positive 3 by 2. Okay, Varada?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
I'm
Now,
over.
okay, now you can do this answers for these questions.
I'm over.
Okay, wait, because others too. Wait. X raised to minus 1 by 2, 5 raised to minus 1. Varada, first one, did you complete the first one, Varada?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then
ma'am.
what is the answer, Varada?
Ma'am, 1 by 1
1 by?
x raised to 1 by
Yes.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Second answer, anybody
Ma'am.
else? Second answer?
Ma'am, I'm finding.
Okay, other anybody else?
I'm 1 by 5 raised to 1.
1 by 5 raised to 1. It is 1 by 5. No need of 5 raised to 1. 1 by 5. Okay?
Yes.
Then third one.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 by 6 raised to 1 by 3.
3.
Good. This one.
1 by
7
7
by
raised
1 by 7
1
raised
by
to
7
by
2
4.
raised.
Okay. So you understood how this. Next period we will study some laws of exponents. Okay. Okay. Today this idea of exponent and base is clear to you, all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,